Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to be talking about our 530 series nose gear. And these are our reverse nose gears, and this is for planes weighing in between 8 and 18 pounds. So what we have is our 530 nose gear, and what I did is I took the 90 degree and the 105 degree angle of deployment retracts out so that you can see the difference. However, the 530 series is available in a 90 degree angle of deployment, a 95, 100, 105, and a 110. And to be clear, the 95, 100, 105, and the 110, those are special order items. So you will not be able to purchase those online. You have to give us a call at 630-584-7616 so that we can put those together for you. We just don't have a ton of demand for those, but we wanted to make sure that they are still available for the modeling public. The one gear, which is the 90 degree here, this one is available. You can purchase this one online. This is a stock set of gear. However, I did want to show you both of them so you can see what we were talking about with the reverse. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the 90 degree option as well as the 105 degree. And like we did say, this is a reverse gear. So the retract, when it comes up to retract, will actually be away from the actuator. These are available in pneumatic or in electric. The pneumatic is an air up, air down. Has pull steering on the tiller here and your centering spring. We'll go ahead and operate this so you can see what we're talking about. And we're going to operate the 90 degree first. So that's the fully deployed position. This is a rail mount. And then in the retracted position, you can see this does come on up away from the actuator. So that's what makes this a reverse gear. One more time, we will deploy the gear. So you can see that this is a 90 degree angle of deployment. I'm going to go ahead and hook up my 105 so you can see the different angle. So now you can see on this 105 degree that it went past 90 and is all the way over to the 105. This is available, but you will have to give us a call at 630-584-7616 and talk to any one of the reps here. We'll make sure that we find the parts and get you taken care of. So if you have any further questions on the 530 series nose retracts, available for planes weighing in between 8 and 18 pounds, give us a call at 630-584-7616 or check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a wonderful day.